Grasshoppers are extraordinary creatures belonging to the order Orthoptera. Known for their versatility, adaptability, and unique features, these fascinating creatures offer a world of wonders to explore. In this text, I will take you on a detailed journey through the numerous incredible things that grasshoppers have to offer. One of the most amazing features of grasshoppers is their complete metamorphosis. The life cycle of a grasshopper begins with the egg, which hatches into a nymph. The nymph is a young grasshopper that resembles the adult but is smaller and lacks fully developed wings. Over time, the nymph undergoes several molts until it becomes a full-fledged adult. This transformation is an extraordinary example of biological adaptation, allowing grasshoppers to exploit diverse food resources in various stages of their lives. Another fascinating feature of grasshoppers is their ability to fly. Adult grasshoppers have long, slender wings that enable them to take flight. This ability is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to escape predators and migrate over long distances in search of new feeding grounds or a mate for reproduction. The idea of small creatures being able to cover great distances through flight is simply astounding. Grasshoppers are also remarkable for their singing or stridulation behavior. Many male grasshoppers produce a distinctive sound by rubbing their front wings together. This sound serves various functions, including attracting females during courtship and marking their territory. This capacity for acoustic communication is an extraordinary example of how insects can use sounds to interact with their environment and fellow members of their species. The sizes of grasshoppers can vary significantly from one species to another. Some are small and inconspicuous, while others can be quite large and imposing. This diversity in size is an example of the richness of biodiversity in the insect kingdom, demonstrating how life forms can vary even within the same insect family. Another remarkable feature of grasshoppers is their ability to change color. Some grasshopper species can adapt their color in response to environmental conditions or their emotional state. This camouflage can serve as a defense mechanism against predators or be used for communication with other members of their species. This ability makes grasshoppers fascinating to study as it demonstrates their active adaptation to the surrounding environment. An astonishing aspect of grasshoppers is their incredible survival and adaptability. These insects can be found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts to grasslands, from forests to wetlands. Their primarily herbivorous diet, based on plants, herbs, and foliage, also makes them essential to the food chain in the ecosystems where they reside. However, grasshoppers can also pose a threat to agriculture when they occur in large numbers. Migratory swarms of grasshoppers, in particular, can cause severe damage to crops, a phenomenon that has been a challenge for humanity for thousands of years. Despite this challenge, grasshoppers remain an example of extraordinary adaptation and survival in the insect kingdom. The flying ability of grasshoppers is also associated with their remarkable mobility. In some parts of the world, grasshoppers gather in large migratory swarms that can cover vast geographical areas. These swarms can be observed as they move in search of new feeding grounds or during their seasonal migrations. These natural spectacles are impressive and remind us of the wonder of nature. Despite their relatively short lifespan, the longevity of adult grasshoppers can vary from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. During this period, they play a vital role in ecosystems as a food source for many predators, including birds, rodents, and other insect predators. Their presence helps maintain ecological balance in many regions. Finally, grasshoppers are subjects of study by researchers to better understand their biology, behavior, and their impact on the environment. These extraordinary creatures continue to inspire scientific curiosity and show us how fascinating and diverse life is in the world of insects. In conclusion, grasshoppers are truly incredible creatures. From their complete metamorphosis to their flying ability, from singing to color change, these creatures exhibit a range of astonishing adaptations that make them fascinating subjects of study. Their ecological importance and their ability to survive and adapt make them a vital component of the ecosystems in which they live. Exploring the world of grasshoppers offers us a fascinating glimpse into the beauty and complexity of nature.